The queen accidentally pricked her finger while sewing, and one drop of blood gently fell onto the white snow. She wished for a child with skin as pale as the snow, hair as black as the bark of the ebony trees, and lips dark red, the color of blood. Snow White's mother gave birth but died tragically during her labor as she grew. People commented on her beauty, skin as pale as the snow, and hair as black as ebony wood, with lips blood red. Snow White's father took a bride, a woman who was cruel to Snow White. The queen often asked her magic mirror, mirror, mirror on the wall, who in this land is fairest of all? It answered, you, my queen, are fair, it is true, but Snow White is 1,000 times fairer than you. The evil queen